Hello, friends. The year is coming to an end. Here is a strategy that works best at this time of the year to lower your mortgage rate. We call it the Cascade strategy. So let's dive into it. Do you have a high fixed rate above 5% and have a HELOC or savings? Using this strategy, you can prepay up to 40% of your mortgage in next 2 weeks by using the HELOC and then lock that HELOC as a mortgage segment at current lower rates. Here is an example. Let's say you have a mortgage of 500,000 and a 300,000 HELOC on a 1 million property. Before the end of the year, make the maximum allowed 20% prepayment to your mortgage, which is 100,000 using the HELOC. In the first week of New Year, apply another 100,000 prepayment. So your HELOC now has a 200,000 balance and the mortgage amount is 300,000. Final step is to convert the 200,000 HELOC into a new lower rate mortgage segment. So now you have two mortgage segments, 300,000 at original higher rates and 200,000 at new lower rate. This makes the blended rate much lower, helping you benefit from current lower rates without penalties or fees. Want to learn more strategies to pay less interest to your bank and pay off your mortgage faster? Let's chat. Thanks everyone who connected this year and wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Cheers.